we go. This is the best day of the build. We are at ground zero. Everything's out. Elvin even washed it down a bit, scrubbed it a little bit, you know, just get all that grime and off. So we're not going for like the perfect $10,000 shaved bay look. So we didn't go that deep, but you know, clean off, gotta look good. But everything is gone that we don't need. It just needs to get built back up. We got the wiring harness out. Look at this. This is what I do when I pull the wiring harness out. Yeah, just remove everything out of there. It's way easier. Guys have told me that they have done this without taking all this out. I don't believe them. That hole up there, that big one, that's where the wiring harness comes through. Those other two, those are for the AC stuff. You got the huge AC box here normally, then you got your fan here. I just take it all out, route it all in properly. Yeah, it's honestly the way to do it. Anyways, we are at that point. We are at the bottom. Turn around. We are at the bottom of the hill. We got everything out. Maybe we're at the top of the hill. I don't know. We got a big pit here, and now all that's left is to build it up and put it all together. So this is literally the best part of the build for me, is getting it all gone and then just putting it together. So I'll start by getting that new wiring harness thread through there, and then I'll put the rest of the interior back together. Maybe intercoolers, maybe piping. We'll see how far we get today, but yeah, best part of the build, getting it all back together. All right, Elvin did it right. He bought the specialties wiring harness, and even got the jumper cable for all the injectors. So we're gonna leave this out just because there's a few less things to go on the harness. Put this on the injectors probably really right away. We'll route it. But yeah, I just gotta feed this thing through. Bingo bango. All right, we got the harness in. It's super easy since we have nothing in the interior. Yeah, just puts it through the firewall. We just have it all coiled up here right now. And since I don't feel like putting the whole interior together, we figure we'll do the intercoolers right now, because that's way more fun. So yeah, we pull this out, put it up, and I'll probably just time lapse it. And Alvin's gonna help me today. He even helped me do the wiring harness. So you know, he's putting his work in. Yeah. It's a new day, but I'll show you guys what we got done. We got turn around. We got these intercoolers in, and brackets all on. These are obviously just using the normal brackets. All the holes are there in the chassis from factory, which is super nice to mount them all. So yeah. Oh, and I got the whole interior back together. I won't show you. It's together. I'll show you guys later. But now we gotta do all the piping. And to do all the piping on the NA, chassis is kind of a pain, because this is a power steering line, and then we got AC lines, and they're all, you see on this side too. We gotta run our piping right against the frame rail here on both sides. Frame rail here, and between that and the rad comes like right here. So let me see if I can show you underneath. Yeah, so the rad comes like here. We'll mount that, and then we gotta kind of move this. So talking with Elvin, we're game planning what we're gonna do. We're gonna remove the AC stuff for now, and we might just get some new lines made. You can just massage these, but we're just gonna take them off for now, and then we're gonna maybe put them back on later. And if it's too much of a fight, because we're using the big piping, we just might get new ones made. And yeah, power steering, probably just gonna massage it. You're gonna have to undo the couple bolts here, try to open up this bend a bit, and just tuck it as tight as possible. It's doable. I've done it before. It's just a bit of a pain. But other than that, it should be pretty simple. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll let you know everything else that I forgot. All right, we got all the piping in. It's all done. We're pretty much ready to drop the engine in. So yeah, we got all the piping coming in here. Up this side, this is intake piping. So we're gonna do dual MAF instead of the single. When you got a single MAF, they both come off and go to a MAF in the middle. Since we're doing dual intakes, we're gonna have a MAF on each side connected to a filter. I got these things are not connected yet. These are for your recircs. So we're gonna put in, we're actually gonna go blow off valve. So we're gonna cap this one and then just run a blow off valve off this one. If you do stock recircs, it just goes from here, recirc into here. But yeah, we're just gonna cap this. Going to this one to blow off valve. And yeah, we got condenser in, fan back in. This is for AC, and I actually got the AC line. This is an NA line, which I massaged, got her in. This side as well, I don't know where it connects to, but it's this line here. It's super in the way at the beginning, but a little massaging, it goes on, just takes a little work. And yeah, starting to look like something again. Getting parts back in, which is awesome. So yeah, tomorrow, or I guess next video, whatever, gonna do the recircs. I do still have to put the oil cooler in here. Totally forgot about that. Just remembered it. So yeah, we're gonna do that and then drop an engine, and that's pretty much it. So things are going real quick, and we still got some time before snow, so we're gonna make this happen.